All right, eighth grade. This is Module 1, Lesson 2, the second half of it, how I'm breaking it up. This is your assignment for that portion. All right, so you're going to be given the Kutasoftware worksheet made available to you electronically or in an analog fashion. And the ones that I want you to do for this assignment are number 1, number 4, number 5, we'll do 7, we'll do, why not, let's do 9, and let's do 11. Were those all the odds? No, it wasn't all the odds, but that's okay. It was mostly odds from there. So they're all going to be operational. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. So 6 times 3 is 18, so 18 possible points. I'll make this just a 10-point assignment again. So you have a few more options to get your points, okay? You know, you can pick the ones you want to do, right? Just to give you an example of how I would expect a response for this. So I'm going to do number 5 for you just to show you an example of how you would respond to these. So we would have, again, go back and look at the lesson to show how you want to do these. And I'm sure some of you will be able to do it on your own. All right, so we're going to have 5. We'll have 3 r to the third over 2 r to the first power. And we're going to keep our numerical portion of the fraction together, and we're going to keep our r portion of the fraction together. So when we have we have a common base in both the common base in the numerator and denominator. So we're going to subtract the exponents of the r's, dividend from the divisors. So we have r3 minus 1, which equals r squared, right? So we have r squared. What about 3 over 2? That can't be simplified, right? Well, it could be. You can divide 3 by 2 and get 1.5. Or we could just keep it as 3 over 2 as a fraction times r squared. So you would want to go and put that into the Google form like this. You come over here and you have a response to problem 1. You put it there. Problem, what was it, 4? You put it there. Problem 5. And we're going to respond with our answer. So we have 3 halves. So I'm going to open up parentheses 3 halves, close that up. That's my fraction. And we're just going to keep the variable right next to it because that implies multiplication. R, but we'll go ahead and put it in parentheses. R to the second power. Remember, the little arrow is how you write your exponent. Boom. So 3 halves times r squared would be our final answer right there. Fantastic. Y'all got this. Y'all can do it. I believe in you. Please ask questions if you have them. All right. Goodbye.